In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the consecutive up and down strategy in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open for the asset you want to analyze. It can be any market you like, such as stocks, forex, or crypto. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators and Strategies menu. In TradingView Pro, strategies are accessed in the same area as an indicators, so you don't need to go anywhere else. Open that menu, and instead of browsing through indicators, switch over to the Strategies section. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in backtesting tools. Strategies allow you to see how a set of rules would have performed historically on your chosen chart, which is extremely useful for understanding whether an idea might be worth exploring further. In the strategies list, scroll or use the search bar to look for something called consecutive up and down strategy. Typing just consecutive will usually bring it up quickly. When you see it in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your active chart. After you click it, give the chart a second to update. You should now see trade markers such as entries and exits plotted directly on your price chart, along with a new panel at the bottom showing the strategy's performance metrics. These might include net profit, number of trades, percentage of profitable trades, and other risk and return statistics. This is TradingView running the consecutive up and down strategy on your historical data. You can also open the strategy settings by clicking on the gear icon next to its name in the chart's data window. Here, you'll often be able to adjust inputs like the number of consecutive candles, the time frame behavior, or risk parameters, depending on how the script is built. Take your time exploring these options so the behavior of the strategy matches your style and the market you're analyzing. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want to follow along with all the same tools and layout, be sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll have access to the full features needed to run and customize strategies like this one. And that's all there is to it. Open the strategies menu, select the consecutive up and down strategy, and then review and tweak the settings to fit your trading approach.